Are you having an issue with your rental housing? Sometimes issues come up when renting or managing a property. Most of the time, they can be resolved. It's important that both renters and landlords understand their rights and responsibilities related to rental housing standards in Oregon. In Eugene, the city's rental housing program sets standards, facilitates communication, and provides resources for renters and landlords to ensure that rental housing is safe, habitable, and fair. These standards are explained in the Tenant Education Information flyer, which landlords are required to provide along with the rental agreement. Renters should review all of this information carefully and fully understand their rights and obligations. Renters should also let their landlord know about any problems with the property by putting their concerns in writing and keeping a copy for their records. If the issue is covered by Eugene's rental housing code, landlords must respond to the tenant within 10 days or within 48 hours for urgent problems like plumbing, heating, electricity, or security issues. If the problem isn't getting resolved, renters can file a complaint with the City of Eugene. The complaint form and details can be found on the city's website. To file a complaint, tenants must include their full name, the property owner or landlord's name, the rental address, a description of the problem, and a copy of the written notice sent to the landlord previously. Once this information is submitted, the city can begin an investigation. City staff will verify the complaint, determine if it's covered by city code, and confirm whether the landlord had enough time to respond. The landlord will be notified, and, if needed, an inspection may be scheduled. City staff helps tenants and landlords navigate this process and can provide additional resources when needed. Remember, the goal of the rental housing program is to help renters and landlords resolve issues before they become bigger problems. To learn more, visit eugenerentalprogram.org.